The air stands still, the world is hushed. No need for sound, no need to rush. A single breath, a quiet thought, in silence all the peace I sought. The trees don't speak, they simply sway and guide the noise of life away. The sky grows soft, the evening near, and in this calm I disappear. Whispers in the still air call to hearts that wait, to those who fall. Not loud, not sharp, just gently wise. A voice behind the fading skies. I sit beneath twilight gray and let the world just drift away. Each moment floats, then slips through time, yet leaves a trace, a shape, a line. What must be said is said in grace, not in the shouts we often chase, but in the pause, the held back word, where all that's true is deeply heard. So let the stillness speak for me, the breath between the melody. Not what I shout, but what I feel is in the hush, so soft, so real. Whispers in the still that wait, to those who fall. Not loud, not sharp, just gently wise. A voice behind the fading skies. And when I rise to speak again, I'll carry calm through storm and wind, a whisper held, not lost in air, but born again in stillness there.